welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most impressive pieces of farming machinery on the market, the John Deere 16-row folding corn planter. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or someone just starting to explore the world of agriculture, you'll find this machine to be a game changer. So, sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get into it. The John Deere 16-row folding corn planter is a massive piece of equipment designed to optimize the planting process for large-scale corn production. With 16 rows, this planter allows farmers to cover more ground in less time, ensuring efficiency and maximizing productivity. It's engineered with precision to plant corn seeds at the perfect depth and spacing, ensuring optimal growth for each plant. One of the most notable features of the John Deere 16-row folding corn planter is its folding mechanism. This allows the planter to easily fold up for transport from one field to another. The ability to fold down to a more compact size is crucial, especially for navigating narrow roads or areas with limited space. The process is smooth, quick, and ensures that you can spend more time in the field rather than worrying about transport. The precision of this planter is second to none. With its ExactEmerge technology, the John Deere 16-row folding corn planter delivers a consistently accurate seed placement. This technology ensures that each seed is placed at the right depth and spacing, leading to healthier crops and better yields. The system is designed to work at higher speeds without sacrificing accuracy, which is a huge advantage when you're trying to cover a lot of acres in a short amount of time. This planter is also equipped with the latest in monitoring technology. The Deere Operations Center allows farmers to track every aspect of the planting process, from seed depth to spacing, ensuring everything is running smoothly. It even provides real-time feedback on performance, allowing farmers to make adjustments on the fly to ensure the best possible results. In terms of durability, the John Deere 16-row folding corn planter is built to last. Constructed with high-quality materials and designed to handle the toughest conditions, this planter can withstand the wear and tear that comes with long days in the field. It's designed to handle a variety of soil types and can operate in both dry and wet conditions, giving farmers the versatility they need to plant under different circumstances. Another key advantage of this planter is its versatility. While it's specifically designed for corn, the John Deere 16-row folding corn planter can be used for other crops as well. With adjustable row configurations and the ability to handle various seed types, this machine offers flexibility that can meet the needs of different farming operations. The John Deere 16-row folding corn planter is an investment that pays off in the long run. Its efficiency, precision, and durability make it an invaluable asset for large-scale farmers who are looking to increase productivity and improve their bottom line. It's not just a piece of equipment, it's a tool that helps farmers grow better crops more efficiently, ultimately contributing to the success of their operations. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video gave you a closer look at the John Deere 16-row folding corn planter and how it's revolutionizing the planting process. Be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest in agricultural technology and machinery. Until next time, happy farming.